crafting friends. This is Renee Daly from StampKnowHow.com, and today I'm presenting my In the Know show for the first time. This is going to be a video about all the current Stampin' Up promotions that are going on right now as of February 27th, and a lot of them go through the end of March, but I'll let you know the dates on most of them. So let's get started. The first promotion that's going on right now for Sale-a-bration is if you become a demonstrator and sign up to get the kit, it's $99, and they have a special bundle put together for you as well. You get this all as a free gift. You get this cute little Stampin' Up mini trimmer. It measures like 6 inches by 4 1/4. It's perfect for cutting out little sentiments or even designer series paper. And you are going to get a nice sampler pack of 6x6 designer series paper. These are all current in the catalog, the mini catalog. It includes paper from the Peaceful Poppies, the Country Club paper, the Birthday Bonanza designer series paper, the Tropical Oasis paper, and the Best Dress paper. So it's a nice little sampler. I'm just gonna flip through and show you some of the colors. So this is the poppies. And this is a Sale-a-bration item that you can get. This is the Lasting Lilies. I guess I forgot to mention that one. But there's like quite a few sheets in here of each. Here's some more poppies. This is the Best Dressed. It's a pretty 4 on the other side. There's some of the Tropical. That's the reverse side. Beautiful flowers. On this side you get some pineapples as well. It's also part of the Tropical series paper. This is Best Dressed, the shoes and the purses. This is the Birthday Bonanza paper. Just so fun. This is like one of my favorite sweets in the catalog. And here's some of the golfing. There's a lot of classic plaids that are great for Father's Day cards and the like. So here's a little bit more of the Birthday Bonanza. Right on the end. So yeah, you get quite a few sheets of that. There is a total. Let's see if they give you the total. Oh, it doesn't have. Oh, it's 48. Sorry, 48 sheets of 6x6. So that's a nice little starter pack of designer series paper. And also, one more thing which I think is great is you get your choice of a stamp set from either the annual catalog or the mini catalog, and it can be any stamp set except hostess sets or Sale-a-bration sets. So what I'm recommending that people do when you sign up, after all, this is like the best deal in the whole catalog right now, is you get one of those stamp sets that includes 2 sets, like A Wish for Everything, which is great if you're just starting out and you need a sentiment. This has everything in it. Or the other one I really like and have used a lot is called Special Celebrations. So many sentiments. So, I mean, there's 28 in this set. So I recommend if you're going to get that free stamp set that you get one that has a lot of value for your money. So I encourage you to join right now. It's $99. You get $125 worth of merchandise. You get free business supplies, free shipping. I mean, you just can't beat this deal, so you really want to take that one into consideration. The next promotion I'm going to talk about is, it's our Paper Pumpkin kits. Right now, through March 31st, if you've been thinking about subscribing, you should really do it, because you can get a prepaid subscription and they give you a code, which you go online and you just sign up with the code. But if you sign up for 3 months, you get 1 free Sale-a-bration item. If you sign up for 6 months, you can get 2 level 1s or 1 free level 2 Sale-a-bration item. And if you sign up for 12 months, you can get 4 level 1 Sale-a-bration items or 2 free level 2 Sale-a-bration items. So this is a fabulous deal as well. I just sign up, it's great. I mean, these little kits have gotten so much better over the last couple years. You really want to consider it. And speaking of the upcoming kit, this one you can order right now. It's called Joy of Spring. It's going to have supplies for 12 cards in there. It has a special box, definitely rain and spring themed. And you want to subscribe from now through March 10th if you want to get this box. But the cool thing about this box is not only do you get your normal ink spot, your stamp set, and all the supplies to make those 12 cards, you're also going to get a free stamp set on top of that. So it's going to include 2 stamp sets versus the one you'd normally get. So really think about signing up for that. Another promotion that's going on right now is for this little ladybug stamp set. It's actually a free stamp set that you can earn either by hosting a party, or you can actually go online and spend the $300 yourself. You just need $300 in sales. So if you want to buy $300 worth of merchandise for yourself, you're going to get this absolutely free. And it's just so cute. Just a nice little fun stamp set. It has 13 stamps in it with lots of fun little sentiments. So you might want to consider that. And the last thing I was going to talk about for this one is it's about the coordination product release. This is still ongoing. This is only available while supplies last, and currently they're all still available. I just checked today. So this is good through March 31st. And these are exclusive products that are going to coordinate with your Sale-a-bration and your mini catalog. And there's no limits to the amount you want to order, but they're only available while supplies last. So you're going to get either the Nature's Thoughts dies, the little ladybug stamp set also has these coordinating dies that you could put in your order, a Special Days dies, Ascending Flowers dies, and these are a couple of Sale-a-bration things. This is the birthday dies set. It's a Sale-a-bration item. And then you could also get this really cute Pleased as Punch Designer Series paper, which I used for a Get Well Tulip card in one of my videos. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed being updated on all the current promotions, and drop me a comment and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love for you to follow my channel and get these updates all the time. So have a great day. Bye.